Okay, this is June something or other, 8th, 9th, I don't know. We're on Kevin O'Neill's Proa, Lake Somerville. Very light wind, but we're still going. It's a good light wind boat. Made our first no-hassle shunt. Okay, here we are in Lake Somerville in Texas with Kevin O'Neill and his marvelous Proa. Let's have a quick look. Here is Kevin O'Neill, master designer and sailor. The boat is a marvelous invention. It only took about 5 minutes to rig all of this up.
We're in our third day. The vultures are circling.
And Kevin has promised me a ride, and he's about ready to fulfill that promise. And yes, I did help.
Another week.
There's only a few lines here. They're all color-coded.
Nothing is color-coded.
Okay.
You're not allowed to tell lies on the internet.
He's a very honest guy. All right, next film I hope is sailing. June 7th, 8th, 9th, or something like that. 2012, Lake Somerville again, doing about 5 knots to windward.
Grab me a bottle of water.
I sure could. Here we go, about 6.3 knots.
Huge puff, though.